Good day, everyone. Today is 12:26 p.m. 17 January is Tuesday. Is a CFTC requirement. Please be careful. Trading. There is a risk in the trading. Uh, Today is 12:30. I mean, we are almost done. We are done for today, actually. And if we are looking at the scalpers today, the A scalper 1 minute on the left upper corner, then we have 150 ticks, B scalper 150 ticks, and a B scalper 1 minute. The CL had a beautiful run today, and what you can do also, you can take those trades in pieces that stand having a daily target 1000. That as an example, you have made one round, let's say on a 500. What you can do, you can right click and you reload the NinjaTrader script, and then once you do that, you will go for another round 500. And that's what we did on some of them. We run 2 rounds when we see the market is running, and it is very important for trader to figure out today what is running and what is not. And maybe it's a very good idea to start on a sim and see which market is really running good. As an example, we can take the CL on the 1 round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no losing trade, and it was done on the CL without even any losing trade. That can indicate that market is really going to your direction and the type of a trading you're doing. So if we are looking on the first roll here is CL. A CL A scalper on the left upper corner, 1 minute A scalper, CL 150 ticks, and then a B scalper on 150 ticks, and a C scalper on 1 minute, and we can see 4 out of 4 hit the target. On the ES, also the same story. On the ES, we hit 4 out of 4, and we ran the B scalper twice on the 150 ticks, and it did very well. Here is the puzzle where on the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones, when you are scalping, they are not. This is the perfect time frame, but because we are using the 1 minute and 150 minutes, we don't use Renko bar one day, we don't use range bar another day, we don't use line break another day. We try to stay on the same time frame. Now there is some traders that use the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones on 200 ticks, or they use it on 300 ticks, or they use it on 8 range, and they can get a superb result. But for the last 2-3 years, what we are doing, we are using the same time frame. We don't want it to use one day Renko bar, one day range bar, and that doesn't make sense to us. So that's why sometimes you see the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones on 1 minute. Sometimes they struggled because it's a $5 per tick, and it require a little bit higher time frame. So if we notice on the Nasdaq, you can see 2 out of 4 did hit the target. And here is the puzzle here. What I wanted to really mention is the YM today. 4 out of 4 did not hit the target, the YM. Now on the YM, we have 330, and we have on the YM 390, and then we have on the YM 300, and it is totally south on the YM on the 1 minute. That means we still need maybe another 2 trades before we can hit the target on the A scalper, and we need another 1 or 2 trades on the scalper to hit it. It took a long time to hit the target, but when you see those 4 charts are not hitting the target, that means the movement of that YM today is not going in the same direction as your auto trade wanted to be. And then at the end, we have the 30-year Treasury bond is 4 out of 4. So this is really, when we cut it in pieces, what's going on today. We can see the YM. It is struggling today on that type of a trade-in, where if we have time later on, we will cover the swing trade-in, which they did 10 times better. But when we are using a smaller time frame on the YM and the Nasdaq, you really cannot use a small time frame on Nasdaq and YM. but still you can see the struggling in the YM today when 4 out of 4 didn't hit the target, and now it's 1231. There is something wrong with that market, and that market is not willing to give anything. And welcome to trading, because don't expect this market to give you every day. There is some days where this market refuses to give anything. A type of market like the YM today is just going in a circle, useless, and there is nothing we can do about it. Welcome to trading, folks. That's all what we have about the automated trading, and we will try to cover maybe later on the swing trading. God bless you all. Please be careful, and see you all next time.